Whatever fitness goal you have, nutrition is going to play a key role in your success. But what if you don't know how to approach it? Well, that's where Stronger You Nutrition can help. I partnered with Stronger You Nutrition to try out their app and coaching program to see if this is a resource that could help people on their fitness journeys, especially beginners, since nutrition can be a real challenge. What's great is that I started using the app at the beginning of the year, after gaining some holiday weight I wanted to shed. So I approached using the app as someone who wanted to lose weight. Essentially, Stronger You is a nutrition coaching program that's catered to your unique needs. It can be weight loss, muscle building, training for a race, and more. The app connects you with a certified nutrition coach or registered dietitian who helps tailor a personalized nutrition plan to help you reach your fitness goals. When you start using the app, you complete an assessment with your goals, current habits, lifestyle, and more. With this information, you're paired with a coach. And it doesn't happen instantaneously. It takes about a day until a coach is personally matched and assigned to you by Stronger You. I was matched with Coach Billy Phipps, and I think he was perfect because I mentioned in my assessment that I wanted to run a marathon at the end of the year, and he's a triathlete, so he has experience in that area. I'm able to communicate with him directly on the app and via text. He really emphasized hitting my protein goals so I could retain muscle while also losing weight. And that's where the daily food and habit tracker comes in via the app. The log on the app is where you'll spend most of your time day to day. At the top are macros, and it shows progress bars for the day's calories, carbs, fats, protein, and fiber. The goals are listed, and the bar fills as you track your intake. If you go over, there is an orange dot that appears, just to flag that you're over in that particular area. Below macros is the water tracker, where you'll add 8-ounce increments of your water intake. Below that is the food tracking portion of the log, which is where you'll add your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. You can add food by searching in the app's database or scanning products using the barcode scanner. All of the foods you input will be saved under My Foods and My Meals for easy access later. There are also recipes you can try. Back at the main log menu, you'll have the ability to add more data, including how many alcoholic beverages you consumed for that day, and how many meals you ate out. Below this is a measurement section, where you can input your weight for the day, how many hours you slept, and if you have a wearable, the steps you took. Next is an energy level section, where you can choose between fatigued, normal, and energetic. Underneath that is a hunger level section, where you can choose either hungry, satisfied, or stuffed. There's also a bowel movement, yes or no, and whether or not you exercise that day. Saying yes gives you the ability to choose what type of exercise you completed, how long you did it for in minutes, the intensity level, and a space for any notes. This is followed by a question asking how's your headspace today, which has as good as it gets, pretty darn good, and needs improvement as options. And finally, there are open field sections for positives for today and daily reflections. All of this data is intentional and reviewed thoroughly by your coach so they can get a full understanding of all of the variables influencing your progress. A really valuable piece of this program are the accountability check-ins. Every week you submit an accountability check-in to your coach. This check-in asks questions like, what went well during this check-in period? What was challenging during this check-in period? How confident do you feel about your progress? And more. You can also submit progress photos. Once you submit your check-in, your coach reviews everything and sends you a video response. I really like these responses because it's really what makes this program different from using an ordinary food tracking app. You have someone reviewing your data, analyzing your progress, and providing personalized feedback. It's that personal touch that'll help you stay accountable towards your goals. If you're making solid progress towards your goals, your coach will find ways for you to improve. And if you're not quite hitting your goals, they can suggest adjustments and help you reach them. After using Stronger You for just over 4 weeks, I was able to lose 8 pounds. Coach Billy was always supportive, and that really helped. I found myself being very intentional about my macros, especially my protein and water intake. This also helped me feel more full throughout the day, so I was less likely to overeat. I definitely feel like my relationship with food has improved, since I wasn't being super restrictive and was more focused on my macros. And it's great because I was able to consistently lose 2 pounds a week. As of this video, the monthly price for the program is $159, and you definitely get all the support and accountability you could want. But there is a 30-day money-back guarantee if you aren't satisfied. And I have a discount code in my description if you want 50% off your first month. So are you going to give Stronger You a try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.